afternoon to everybody, and I'm really happy to join to this meeting and to have the possibility to share with you some of the news about the project, European project Laser from us. And we are one of the partners of the project, and we are involved as technology and the user inside this project. I will present. I will show you the presentation, but please consider that Rinaldo is joining to the meeting, and also he is available for any question at the end of the presentation. In the presentation, we will show our point of view about the market penetration for laser welding technologies and our industrial approach, how different markets are integrated in terms of evolving needs of end users. From these sides, the needs of automotive manufacturing sector, let's say, are not so different from the ones for green energy or pharma or aerospace sectors, for example. And we will see also the key characteristics in business strategy from our side and how they are correlated to the growth both by a combination of products and technology and markets, including mobility. A quick picture about the ECOR International Group. Our sites are in the production manufacturing sites are in the north of Europe, and we are in Vicenza, 1 hour from Venice, 1 hour from Verona. We are 258 persons with a turnover of 55 million euro. Our business areas are the main one is in the food and packaging sector. We produce components and modules for automatic packaging machines, aerospace and defense, advanced mechanics and pharma, and industrial research. Our ECOR business model offer an integration of advanced technologies for welding and manufacturing, combined with competencies in the whole product design and development up to prototyping. The model, I think, represents a concept of full service, where we can add value to support our customers, not only for what regards manufacturing, but also on product design to achieve a specific function on it. Here you can see our certifications, starting from the ones related to the system, to the process, and to the customer. As you can see, we are a company that has a great experience, let's say 40 years of experience in joining materials, or different type of materials, different type of components, and so on and so on. We have a NADCAP accreditation for welding, heat treatment, and NDT. The business areas, as I explained it before, are mainly 4. Here you can see the first 3 that are connected with the manufacturing of components. So we are a service company, so we do not have our products, but we produce products according to the specification, the requirements of our customers. Some examples just to understand what we produce and in the different fields, and in order to understand how we have a really diversified market where we are able to supply different components with different qualities, and so on and so on. So we started from single components up to subsystems, for instance, in the field of food packaging industry, rather than structural or other type of components like pipes for having different function in the field of aerospace and defense, and really a great diversification also in advanced mechanics and pharma sector. As I explained before, research and development for us is not only a cost, but a really a business area. For this reason, we have a research company that is dedicated only to industrial research, supporting for mainly the customer and only a little bit the ECOR International. The turnover is eight or more or less 80 million euro for last year, and we have 56 persons dedicated to the industrial research. The competencies varies from 3D printing to functional design, surface engineering, metallurgy, welding, brazing technology, and so on and so on. All the plants that are dedicated to the industrial research are industrial plants, because we aim to supply to our customers high TRL results to be ready to be used for the specific aims that they require. Well, let's start to speak about market technology, and I would like to show you how the laser for mass process is a project that is really well integrated in the industrial area, how it aims to impact at the industrial level from the point of view of different markets, and also in the automotive or e-mobility sector. This is a brief picture about our business strategy, supported that can be useful to be considered by the Ansoff matrix. The matrix lie on 4 distinct growth strategies, each defined by a unique combination of products and markets, could be existing or new. So if we look at the market penetration, this means that we make leverage on the company's established strengths and market knowledge in order to increase the existing markets. An example could be the improvement of product quality or features to encourage repeated purchase. And from this point of view, the development or the introduction inside the company of innovative and advanced technologies can be for sure an answer to this first market penetration. But at the same time, we have also the market development. That means involving a strategy that involves exiting products to be introduced in new markets or by different actions, considering, for instance, different customer segments. Product development is something that is correlated to what to the research business area, because it's something that is really connected in the investment in research and development for opportunities in innovation, the creation of new products according to our customer needs. It's important from this point of view, of course, the customer feedback and the collaboration with the key stakeholders. Last but not least, the diversification. This means we want to expand in new markets or new products that in some way are related to our business, existing business, allowing also potential synergies in terms of resources, capabilities, or customer specification. Here we go better in the field of the project, and we can understand how the concept of market consolidation and expansion in two fields that are actually preceded by us is pharma and, for instance, the field of fuel cell, where we already produce by laser technologies. Here we can see how we can move from these two markets, where we aim to expand the business to reach another market that is a green field, that is the field of e-mobility. And this the approach is to deploy the competencies and in terms of knowledge, in terms of technological experience, in terms of advanced technologies, and in terms also of another project partner already working in the automotive field, and all these experiences can be industrial experience and academic experience, and also other scientific and technical experience can be joined together to develop an integrated technology, a manufacturing and service platform able to reach this specific target. We have seen the complexity of the parts that we produce. We have really a great number of geometries, a great number of part numbers, and the thickness of the sheets that we use to produce the different to manufacture the different components. We have different precision constraints and so on. Of course, all these variables impact on laser requirements. So the market needs, the end user needs, and the technology needs really has a different effect on what is necessary, what is required by the point of view of the end user for laser process and equipment. I would like to stress the fact that the main characteristics cannot be considered as alternatives or standalone because the laser technology needs to be considered as a whole set of features of modern advanced technology to be collected together. So easy configurability, reliable performance are mandatory for this field. Okay, now here you can see something that is correlated with the business and technological diversification through innovation. Diversification and innovation are essential for building resilience in times of economic uncertainty. We see every day there is something that introduces a new variable in the market. By exploring new markets, developing new products and services, partnering with other business, investing in R&D, or embracing new technology, the business can reduce the risk and increase the chance of long-term success. So technological diversification can help organization in mitigating this risk associated with relying heavily on a single technology or market. By spreading investment across multiple advanced technologies, company can reduce their vulnerability to disruption or shifts in customer preferences. Then, in today rapidly evolving business landscapes, enterprises face the dual challenge of maintaining competitiveness in existing markets while exploring ways for growth and expansion. Traditional strategies for diversification often rely on geographic expansions, for instance, or product line extension, mergers, acquisitions, and so on. But let's say that now in the digital area, a new paradigm can be considered emerged. Technology serves as a powerful enabler of diversification efforts. For this reason, ECOR, that is a service company, it does not have a specific product. We do not produce, as told you, a product that is designed by us. We produce on the specification of our customer. So what we can offer is really competencies and technologies to be competitive and penetrate new markets. In the real of the fact, these are our products, no? Because we can offer competencies and technologies. We need to practice continuous technological intelligence on the landscape of advanced technological innovation to maintain a competitive performance on a complex product, ensure high quality of these products, and also a sustainability of process product systems. The Laser for Mass process project represents really a fully collaborative approach from this point of view, with the really transversal industrial objectives, aiming to bridge the gap between research and industrial practice. From our point of view, to adapt the changing market dynamics, the business should prioritize continuous learning and development. So inside the project, we think that we can find the suitable answers to these needs for our point of view. Okay, that's all. I thank you for the attention, and if there is any question, we are available for this.